Oatmeal is another example. Yes, oatmeal has fiber, but there's a difference in the kinds. Here we have a half a cup of regular oatmeal with 4 grams of fiber. Not bad, but compare that to steel-cut oatmeal. A half a cup of steel-cut oatmeal has 8 grams of fiber. 8 grams of fiber is double what you get with regular oatmeal. Now, here's the problem. I know steel-cut oatmeal takes a little bit more prep time, but here is a great tip to speed up the process. Soak your steel-cut oatmeal overnight in the recommended amount of water on top of your stove with the cover on the lid of the pot. This softens up the oatmeal so that when you get up in the morning, you can turn it on and cook it in 5 minutes.